Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling app permissions and getting the phone ready. First, grant WhatsApp location access and set location mode to high accuracy so GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile signals combine. Once done, open the specific chat and tap the attach paperclip icon, choose location, then select Share Live Location. Pick a duration and tap Send. This immediate sequence fixes most sharing failures because it ensures the app can access the best available positioning data before you begin. Once live sharing begins, verify accuracy. Ask the recipient to confirm your PIN, and if it seems off, toggle location off and on to force a fresh fix. If that fails, force stop WhatsApp or clear its cache, then reopen and reinitiate sharing. This refreshes the app's GPS session. Make sure Wi-Fi is on even without a network and Google location accuracy is enabled, because combining signals reduces jitter. If your phone offers a location permission while using the app option, make sure that's active before continuing. To finish, stop live location and restart sharing to let the phone obtain a fresh fix immediately. If problems persist, back up chats and reinstall WhatsApp to clear deeper app issues. After reinstalling, restore your backup, regrant permissions, and start sharing once more. One key troubleshooting tip: calibrate your phone's compass and verify GPS accuracy in Google Maps first. If Maps is wrong, WhatsApp will be wrong. Also, ensure Google Play services and system location services are up to date for reliable fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.